Yes, guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, guys, I'm gonna do a simple dessert that you can pack in your kid lunch kit. You can carry it to work, and you can have it at your home after eating your Sunday dinner. So, guys, before I even go into this video, I want you to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so when I drop a video you won't miss a post. So today I'm gonna do some M&M cookie, guys. I'm gonna use 2 cups of flour, guys. I'm gonna use 2 cups of M&M, a little vanilla, 1 stick of butter, 1 egg, guys, and I'm gonna use some baking soda and some salt and some white sugar. The M&M me I use, guys. This one me I use. You can get it at a local supermarket, guys. Not too expensive, guys. But I get this a 1 year. Anyway, the first thing is to cream, sugar, and butter. So me go scrape out the butter and cream it little before me add in the sugar. Make some air go in there, guys. You're creamy to the light and fluffy, guys. And I'm using a hand mixer. If you have a standing mixer, you can use it also, but I'm using a hand mixer today. So I'm gonna cream it on low speed, guys. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna put cream out the butter a little, so I got add the sugar. So I add 1 cup of sugar, but here this I go 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and then I gonna add 1/2 cup of white sugar, guys. So I measure it out and add it, guys. So 1/2 cup of this, guys. So 1/2 cup of white sugar, guys, with the brown sugar. So I'll cream this until it's fluffy, guys. You can stop and scrape down inside them, so no excess fat, no get cream out, and no sugar, no get lost in a no corner when no cream out in a butter, guys. So you just scrape down inside, guys. Yeah, creamy until light and fluffy. After finish creaming this, guys, I'm gonna simply add the 1 egg. 1 egg. For the 1 egg, guys, I'm gonna add just a tips of vanilla extract and cream that together. Yes, guys, so after adding the vanilla extract, I'm gonna put in the flour, the 2 cups of flour with baking soda and salt and mix. After finish combine the ingredients together, I'm now gonna add the 1 cup, 2 cups, sorry about that, 2 cups of chocolate chip. After that, guys, I'm gonna pop this in the refrigerator for 1 hour to get frozen. The reason for that is when I scoop it up, the butter and everything will be solid, so the pastry home melt away and don't form the circle that I actually want. So come back in the next hour. So guys, after 1 hour, this is how the dough is look. So I'm gonna use ice cream scoop and scoop it up so I can get equal size. And guys, you have to set this like 1 centimeter apart, guys. So when okay, guys, so I'm gonna pop this in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, and when it's finished, you will see the finished product. Yes, guys, this is a finished product, guys. So delicious, so tasty, guys. I really enjoy it. I hope you enjoy the video. I'm gonna put the link in the description of the recipe so you can do one at home for your family. Just like, share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend, hit that notification bell. Until next time, bye.